Jill is impressing us over here. So
Again.
she's making apple pie tacos. So let's walk people through this, Jill, because we're starting with these little tiny street taco shells.
You could use the bigger ones, but I'm using the little tiny ones. And it has to be a flour tortilla.
Okay.
Can't be a corn tortilla. It has to be a flour one.
So you
I'm
take
gonna
that.
Take
You
that.
got your oil boiling.
I got my oil hot, and in fact, the way that we test that is we take a piece of popcorn, and when you drop that in, if it pops within a few seconds, your oil is ready. We already know our oil is ready because we're already frying. So you fold it in half and hold it with tongs, and first you put the bend in.
So you get a good bend in there.
Of course.
Yeah, you got to lock in that bend.
If
Okay.
you hold it in there, it'll lock in the bend?
Yeah, and then I can let it go.
Locked in.
Yep.
Locked
This
in.
one's we're ready to flip.
Now
it.
you kind of have to supervise the frying of the
A little
tortilla
bit.
shells.
Yeah, it
Okay.
doesn't take very long. See, our popcorn just popped too.
Yeah.
And if they get too puffy, what did I do with my knife?
There's your knife.
Oh, see, this one got too puffy. You can puncture them. That looks like a puffer fish or something. I don't know what happened there. But anyway, this is what we're gonna get. We're gonna pull it out. We're gonna drain it on paper towels. Give it a little sprinkle with some
Okay.
cinnamon sugar.
Be
Get
nice
a little
with the
inside
sugar.
there.
Don't be skimpy, Dina.
All right,
that
get it on
sugar.
there.
Yeah, get it
All
in
right,
there.
yes.
a
There
good
we go.
dose, a good
There we go.
coating.
Yeah, there we go.
I'm gonna salvage this one that puffed up.
All right, Jill. So once we have the shells, then we're just going to put apple pie
You're just
filling in
gonna
it?
put some apple pie filling. You could make it from scratch, but really, I just bought a can of apple pie filling. You could warm it if you wanted to. I didn't. We're gonna do it right out of the can. This is how I did it the other night at home when we tested it, and I could not stop eating.
Really?
Yes, they were really good.
So how much apple pie filling are we putting in the middle?
You know, what do you want? Couple
Couple
apple
apples
slices, two or
Two?
three apple slices.
Okay.
In there,
There.
And then
and
what
then
do you do?
let me turn that off. And then then a little ice cream
This ice
or
cream
whipped
here?
cream. Yeah. I don't have whipped cream today. We can throw a
I
little.
don't know
just
where
a
to
little.
put our little.
Oh, here, just set it next to.
There you go,
Sorry.
Dina. A little
Well.
ice cream there.
Okay, here.
You want to do it?
We need a plate over here, guys.
Yeah, we kind of
There we
do.
go.
Actually, I have a Super Bowl plate over there. Okay.
I'll go grab it.
There we go. So this is what it looks like, and
Nice.
it's just the simplest of ingredients.
Simple.
Thanks,
This would
Ed.
be a fun thing to do. You know,
Plates.
if you have
Thank you.
teens at your party who are not,
There we
you
go,
know,
guys.
enthralled with the actual game.
Right.
You know, this is a cool thing that, you know, they're probably old enough to do in the kitchen, maybe with a little supervision, and they can be making your dessert while you're enjoying the game.
Very
with
nice. Here you go, LT. Put a little ice cream on that one.
You.
All
Let's
right.
throw some apples in
And-
there. Do you want to test? Are you ready to test?
Yeah, here, you want me to bite this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we
There you
go.
go.
I'm going without ice cream. Also, if you wanted to make that a little healthier,
Yeah.
you could actually do fresh fruit in there instead of pie filling.
Oh,
You know, and actually I have a little, you could do different flavors, you know, cherry
I'm
or
shocked at
blueberry.
how good this shell is.
I know the shell is delicious.
It's so good.
So I put a little lemon rind in sugar, so you could do other flavors instead of the cinnamon sugar. You could do the lemon sugar and do blueberry or cherry or whatever. You could have a whole little dessert taco bar. set
Kids
up
would
there.
love this.
I could see where kids would really love this.
Yeah, kids would love this. This is good, Jill.
They're tasty
So-
and quick.
What else can you use these for when you fry them up? Other sweet desserts, I guess you could put whatever you want in them.
Yeah, I mean, you could put custard in it, or actually, you
Here you
could
go,
even
Dina.
just serve it with ice cream in it if you wanted to.
Yeah,
you'd
it's
have to
good.
cool them a little bit first.
That tortilla,
Thank you.
when you deep fry it, it takes on such a nice
I know, it's
texture
so
and flavor.
good.
I know, you know, it's
All right.
just like thin bread.
It
So-
sure is, and we love our bread. Jill, thank
Good job.
you.
Yep, thanks.
All right. What do we call these? Apple
Apple
pie
pie
tacos.
tacos.
There we go.
It'll all be on the website.